Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this acrylic cake topper with gold leaf and paint. I used TeckWrapCraft vinyl and I tried their newly released colors. In this tutorial, I used the Mirror Chrome adhesive vinyl and one of their candy color adhesive vinyls, which is the Rainbow Stripes. This brand is by far my most favorite vinyl to use, not only because they have a lot of beautiful varieties, but because it's very easy to weed. And you will even save more if you use my coupon code DIY by Sess on their website. Their website is in the description box and everything that I use in this video. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Images. I copy and pasted this Design Space image number into this box and I put the image number in the description box below. So I'll click this and then add to canvas. And then I'm going to click weld because I'm only going to use one vinyl, which is the Rainbow Stripes. And then I'm going to write happy birthday. I'm going to click text. And then I'm going to type in happy birthday, Susan. And then I'm going to change the font and click this. And I'm going to use Bertie. I got this font from Creative Fabrica. I put the link in the description box below. And I'm just going to make it smaller. And I'm going to click this lock icon and I'm just going to adjust this the way I want it. And then I'm going to select all and then click align and then center horizontally. Now I'm going to make a template for my cake topper because I want to make sure that when we cut these, they're not going to be too big for my cake topper. So I'm going to click shapes and then click circle. And then I'm just going to change the color to light gray. And then I'll change the size to 5.5 inches because that's the size of my acrylic topper. And then right click the circle and then send to back. And I'm just going to move the template and then I'll select these and make it smaller. And I'll just move the template back and see if they fit. And I'm just going to adjust them again. Now I'm happy with that. I can now delete the template. We can now go ahead and click make it. Then click on matte and then click continue. Now I don't have to do anything here, so I can go ahead and click continue. Now for the Mirror Chrome vinyl, I had to create its own custom material setting and I had to do test cuts in order for me to make sure that I have the right setting and so that it will cut perfectly. And I'll show you the steps to do that. Now from the home page of Design Space, click these three lines and then click Manage Custom Materials and then select your machine and then scroll down at the very bottom and then click Add New Material. And then I'm going to type in the vinyl's name, which is TeckWrap Mirror Chrome. And then click Save. And I'm going to scroll up and find it from my material list. And I'm going to adjust it to 155. And then click Save. Now we have it in our material list. And now back to our project. And I'm going to click Browse All Materials. And I'm going to type in TeckWrap. And then click that. And then click Done. Now after mat number 1 is done cutting, I'm going to use Rainbow Stripes for my mat number 2 and I'm going to use premium vinyl for the setting and I'll adjust the pressure to more. So these are the vinyls that I'm going to use for my cake topper. So I'm going to use Rainbow Stripes for the image and I'm going to use Mirror Chrome Royal Pink for Happy Birthday Susan and I'm going to use TeckWrapCraft Transfer Tape. And since I used the premium vinyl setting instead of creating a custom one, I need to check if it cut through. And as we can see here, it didn't cut all the way through. If this happens, don't press the unload button. Check first if the material is cut through. If not, press the go button again. I got this cake topper from Amazon. I put the link in the description box below. I'm going to use Mod Podge to glue this gold leaf onto the acrylic. I'm going to use this makeup sponge wedge to paint the acrylic paint. You can also use a paintbrush if you prefer. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!